Many people want to earn money online, but most feel stuck. Are you ready to learn a simple way that really works? Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to begin. Sounds too simple to be true, doesn't it? You don't need to create your own product. Just share a special link. If someone buys through it, you get paid. No office, no shop, just your phone or computer is enough. Even beginners and students can start today. In this video, you'll discover 5 of the best websites trusted by people all over the world. These sites are free to join and offer many things to promote, like clothes, books, or apps. You don't need to be famous, just willing to learn. So stay with me as we explore how these websites can help you start earning real money online. 1. ClickBank. ClickBank is a popular website that started in 1998. It is free to join and trusted by people all over the world. It has more than 4,000 digital products like ebooks, diet plans, online courses, fitness guides, and apps. These products are easy to sell because people can download them right away. You don't need to ship anything or keep stock at home. Some products give 50% to 70% commission. That means if someone buys a $100 course, you can earn $50 or more. You don't need a website or any special skill, just a phone or computer with internet. ClickBank pays weekly, so you don't have to wait long to get your money. After signing up, you can search for products in topics like health, business, games, and more. There is a filter tool to help you pick the best-selling products. ClickBank gives you a special link to share. If someone clicks your link and buys, you get paid. Products have different prices. Some are $20, others are $50 or $100. ClickBank also shows a gravity score to help you see which items are selling fast. You can also use free banners and pictures to help sell better. There's also a dashboard where you can see your clicks, sales, and how much you've earned. 2. Digi Store 24. Digi Store 24 is a fast-growing platform that many people use to earn money online. It is free to join and works in many countries. It is just like ClickBank and lets us sell digital products. These include things like software, online courses, ebooks, health plans, and video lessons. Most products can be downloaded, so buyers don't need to wait for delivery. This makes it easy to sell. Digi Store 24 is also easy to use. The dashboard is simple and shows everything: our sales, clicks, and how much money we are making. Even if we are beginners, we can understand it well. Many people love it because the setup is quick and we don't need special skills. We just need internet and a phone or computer. When we make a free account on Digi Store 24, we can see many products in different topics like health, money, business, or learning. Each product pays us a different amount. Some give us $10 per sale, some $50, and some over $100. The more we sell, the more we earn. We don't need to buy the product first. We just copy our special link and start sharing it. We can post the link on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, or even share it with friends and family. Digi Store 24 also gives us pictures and banners to help promote. Many students, moms, and new learners use this site to earn extra money. It's a smart and simple way to start earning from home. 3-CJ Affiliate. CJ Affiliate, also called Commission Junction, is a website where we can earn money by promoting big brand products. It has famous names like Lowe's, Barnes & Noble, and popular fashion stores. These are trusted companies that many people know. CJ Affiliate is different from websites like Amazon or ClickBank. On CJ, we first apply to each brand we want to work with. That means we click apply and wait for the brand to say yes. Once they accept us, we get a special link to promote their items. This is a good way to work with top brands and build a strong profile. It helps us look more serious and professional online. The site is free to use, but we must follow the rules carefully to keep our accounts safe. CJ Affiliate shows all offers in one dashboard. We can see how much money each brand will pay us for every sale. Some brands give $5, some $20, and some even more depending on the product. There are many types of products like clothes, books, electronics, tools, and home items. We can choose what we like to share. The website also gives us banners, pictures, and tools to track our clicks and sales. This helps us do better and earn more. CJ is good for people who want to grow slowly and work with real businesses online. Many new users start with easy brands first and then move to bigger ones. If we are careful and active, CJ can help us make good money step by step. 4. ShareASale. ShareASale is a website where we can earn money by promoting other people's products. It has been working for over 20 years. So many people trust it. The site is known for giving fast approval, even to beginners like us. It has thousands of products we can choose from, like clothes, kitchen tools, software, health items, toys, and more. It also works with both small companies and big brands, which means we have many good choices. Signing up is free, and it only takes a few minutes to create an account. Many people like this site because it's simple and gives many ways to earn online. After we make an account, we can search for programs inside ShareASale. Each program is a company that lets us promote its products. We need to apply first, and when the company accepts us, we get a special link. This link helps us share their product and earn money if someone buys from our link. Some products give us $5, some $50, and some even more. The site has a dashboard that shows our clicks, sales, and total money we made. We can check it every day. Many YouTubers, students, and bloggers use ShareASale because it is safe and easy to understand. If we want to begin affiliate marketing, ShareASale is a great place to start learning and earning step by step. 5-JVZoo is a website where you can make money by selling digital things. It does not sell clothes or toys. It sells tools like video editors, email senders, website makers, and more. These are things that help people work online. Many YouTubers, bloggers, and online shop owners use these tools. JVZoo is good for people who like tech and want to earn by helping others. It is free to join. You don't need to pay anything to start. After you join, you can see a list of products. Most products are for business, like apps, software, and training videos. You can ask the product owner to let you promote it. If they say yes, you get a special link. When someone clicks your link and buys, you earn money. JVZoo pays you a big part of the sale. Some give 50%, some 75%, and some even 100% on the first sale. That means if a product costs $30 and you get 100%, you earn all $30. The site also shows your clicks, sales, and money earned in a simple dashboard. JVZoo is a great place for anyone who wants to promote smart tools and get fast earnings online. Affiliate marketing is not magic, but it is real. Anyone can do it, even a student or beginner. You just need the right tools and websites. We shared the top ones with you: ClickBank, Digi Store 24, JVZoo, CJ Affiliate, and more. Now it's your turn to start. Choose the one you like, make your free account, and start sharing your link the smart way. Which website do you want to try first? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe. It really helps us create more simple and fun videos like this. Share this with your friends so they can also learn how to earn money online. Thank you for watching, and stay smart, stay strong.